Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, and then languages, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. So let's pick for example Ukrainian. And then to set Ukrainian as a system language, you have to drag it on top, and language changes. So if you want to set it back to English, just go to this налаштування, then системні, мови та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.